see here. Okay, on this, what year is this guy?
1993.
Okay, 1993 Saturn. The SL2 has a 3 broken studs for the wheel. I'm going to show you how to take them out of there and replace them. The probably causes might be the wheel alignment, I think, that caused them to break. Okay, first I'm going to have to take off the caliper and the rotor. That'll be easier to get to the studs. Alright, I'll just show you anyway. Take the caliper off. I use a 14mm socket. Turn off the 2 bolts. Break them off. Those bolts to turn. Another thing I like to do is get a crowbar or something and kind of open up the caliper a little bit. This keeps the pads from sticking to the piston and breaking the piston inside. With the bolts, the torque removed, pull the bolts out. Caliper comes right off. Set the caliper on a sway bar. Get it so it doesn't move. I'll send up on a sway bar. Take out the brake shoes. And the next thing to do will be to take off. Next thing to do is to take off the caliper bracket. But these might be 18mm bolts. Let's take those 2 bolts off. Take out the bracket. And you can get to the rotor. Okay, we got the hub. I'm going to use a punch and a sledgehammer to tap out these old studs. So I got it lined up right here on the spindle so they can go in and out of the hole real easy. So now I'm going to tap out these old bolts. Tap those bolts out, put your new lugs in. Okay, after putting all the lugs in, you put the rotor on, put the bracket on, and the caliper, and you can reinstall the wheel, and that's how you repair lugs. Okay, this is the total assembly with new studs, caliper, and rotor installed. So just hit them from the back to install them, hit them from the front to remove them. And the installation of the caliper is just reversed, so just line up the bolts, tighten them down on the pads, and make sure you press the brake pedal to restore brake pressure to the caliper. With the wheel on, and when you start torquing on the lug nuts, the bolts also pull themselves in there once you start torquing it down. So that's just something I thought I'd add to it, to make sure that they're all the way in there.